Hello guys, welcome to MSY Digital YouTube channel. In this channel, we are covering videos, topics such as entrepreneurship, digital marketing, career development, and personal development. If these topics interest you, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any video that we are uploading to this YouTube channel. So I'm going to create a series of the videos to get your dream job or your first job in Canada. If you're planning to come to Canada, if you newly arrived in the Canada, or if you want to apply outside of the Canada, so this series of the videos can help you to get your first job in Canada. Because what happens is that a lot of people are facing when they come to the Canada, especially in the Quebec side, especially in the area that people speak French, they find a lot of difficulties to get their first job. But don't worry, I have combined all the search, all the techniques in a series of the videos that can help you to get your first job, even if you're living in the Quebec area, which is a French spoken area. But there are a lot of companies that they are looking for the people that they have the right skill set, the right follow mindset. All the steps, all the techniques that I'll be explaining in all the videos. I can guarantee you can get your dream job within a month or less than a month. Okay, so make sure to watch all the videos that I'll be uploading in this series, and I can guarantee you that you can get your first job because I have personally used this technique and I got my first job when I landed in Canada within 2 weeks, which is a great achievement. Those people who have been in the Canada, they can understand that it's not that much easy to get your first job, especially for those departments that they are into the marketing department, they're into the sales department, they're into the business analytics or any field. If you come to the Quebec site, it can be so much challenging to get your dream job within a short period of time. But these techniques, these videos can help you to get your first job. Okay, now let's dive to the screen. Let me show you the steps of getting your first job. Let's start with the first part. Let's start with the first part of the video, which is how to get your first job in Canada. So now you need to go to the Google and search Indeed Canada. So make sure that you're choosing and you're typing Indeed Canada. Reason being because Indeed is an international platform. For example, if you're searching out of the Canada, it may show the jobs which are available in your country. So go and type Indeed Canada, you will land to ca.indeed.com. So the moment you land here, this is a very vast platform, and the reason I have choose Indeed is because in Canada, Indeed is a very famous platform, and a lot of the job seekers and job providers are using this platform, and a lot of companies are using this platform to get or hire the right candidates for their company. So make sure that you come here and create your account. Make sure that you sign up for the Indeed, upload your resume, upload your updated resume based on your specialty, based on your job title, so that sometimes even the employers, the job providers are visiting your profile. They may approach you for a specific job that they have in their companies. So Indeed has basically three tabs. One is for to find the jobs. In the find the jobs, you can search any job by the title, by the keywords, or by the company name. And the second tab it has is company reviews. Basically, this tab is used to know about the company, what people are searching about that specific company, and how is the work culture, whether the company is the right company for you. You can check all of the options, all of the reviews here. The next tab that we have is the salary guide. For example, over here you can see a specific salary range for any job title that you're applying for. Let's say if I'm looking for business analyst in Vancouver, So the average base salary is around $77,000 for a business analyst per year, which is a decent salary. Let's say what is the salary for the software developer in Montreal. So it's around $88,535 per year. So this way you can see all the job title and the salary range for a specific position that you're applying here. So that means you will be aware of the market standards. And during the interview, if they ask what is your salary expectation, you may not you may not say specific range, but you can tell that I appreciate whatever the company provides based on the market standard. So at least the employer should know that you have the market knowledge. And at the same time, you can see what are the top company softwares that are paying the highest salary for the software developer. The first one is coming Amazon.com, which is around 1,43,533 per year. And similar, you can see other companies that are paying similar range or lesser range for that specific position. As I have mentioned that in this tab you can see the company reviews about the company. It's loading. Okay, coming to the job search. So what we can do is from here we can search for a specific job. Let's say that if you're a business analyst, you can just come here and let's say Toronto. In Toronto, around 1,602 jobs are available for this position. So here I always recommend to choose last 24 hours or last 3 days or last 7 days. Reason being because most of the time if you choose 14 days, those position has been already filled up or hired the candidates for the specific position. So let's choose 3 days. Over here you can choose either it should be remote. If you remote, then you can select here the kilometers, how should be far from your house or from your specific location. So normally 35-50 kilometers in Canada is completely normal. And then you can choose a specific salary here. So normally if you if you apply all the filters, it will show you limited jobs available. So you can choose the job type. Are you looking for a full-time, part-time, or contract based? What should be the occupation? You can choose any specific occupation from here. If you want to choose an industry, you can choose the industry from here. And if you want to apply for a specific location, so you can choose from here. If you know the name of the company, you can select from here. Let's apply and find a job. So now the moment we apply, last 3 days, it's showing 112 job available for the business analyst. So that way you can select on a specific profile, and you can make sure that you read the job description properly so that you're aware while you will be receiving a call from the interviewer. So let's see how many jobs are available for digital marketing. This time I will be choosing Vancouver, British Columbia. So now you see that around 325 jobs are available. Let me choose last 3 days. So now 21 jobs are available here in the Vancouver, British Columbia. Same way, if I go and search for let's say software developer in Montreal, you will see around 1,462 jobs are available in Montreal. Let's apply a filter. Let's choose 7 days. So around 190 jobs are available in Montreal. So all you need to do is click on that specific company, then click apply, fill up your details, upload your resume, then you can submit. So make sure that you go through Indeed, create your account, upload your resume, and definitely you can get a job from here because Indeed is a very famous platform in Canada as well as in the United States. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna cover a next platform for the job search.